Okay, I did discovered that this is front end. So the lighting. This pathetic lump here represents 1250 horsepower V8. Sad. Oh, look that's a plant. A bastard. Okay, actions 1 and 3 are not secured. 2 and 4 are loose, so 1, 2, 3, etc. But she's coming along. So it's got various suspension parts like drag links and steering gear as well. Go on. And then I saw on the bodywork will be cab is a separate item. I'll do it about here. The body is one piece as it were. A 4 two-stage roof, rear, etc. So to do a yellow. Probably I'm guessing use a red primer. I don't want the yellow in your face. But I do want a different kind of fire truck. So that's all. Okay. Bye, bye.